Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to mine Floki Inu. In order to do this, you will have to first launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar, you will have to type app.uniswap.org. This will land you on the official website of Uniswap. Now over here, you will have to first connect your wallet with it. For that, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on this connect wallet. After that, you will have to select the MetaMask wallet. You can even select any other wallet if you want to, like Coinbase, Ronin, or Phantom wallet. But for this video, I'm going to select it as MetaMask. Now, once you have successfully connected your MetaMask wallet with it, you will have to select the network. So you need to make sure that it is selected as Ethereum network, because for staking and for mining, we use Ethereum network. So now over here, you will have to hover over to the top and you need to click on the pool option. Then you need to click on new position. After that, with Ethereum, you need to select Floki Inu. So click on the select coin option, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Floki. Then you need to press continue. Now once this pair is built over here, it will show you the 1% tire fee. So over here it will also show you to select your set price. So you just have to select the set price and the high price. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend in order to stake the Floki Inu coin. And once you stake the Floki Inu coin on Uniswap in the liquidity pool, you will be able to earn maximum profits on it. So after entering the Ethereum, it will show you how much Floki Inu coins you are going to stake in this pool. So you will have to click on the add to liquidity option over here, and after adding the Floki Inu coin into the liquidity on Uniswap, you are going to mine Floki Inu coins. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.